the first speed. There are 3 speeds on this car. See how slow it's going? Let's go to speed 2. It's got pretty good range on it. Pretty slow. Let's go to speed 3. This is the 3rd speed. This is the fastest. Not really fast.
Okay.
So as usual, I started off with the driving footage, and now I'm going to show the car before I unboxed it. But yeah, this is a 1/10 scale Bugatti Chiron. So 1/10 scale, so it's got a pretty big, pretty nice size to it. And it is just toy grade, but I love the details on it. But let's go ahead and take this out of the box and show this to you up close. This Bugatti out of this box here. Out of this. I only spent I think like 70 bucks on this. I just gotta take it out of the, we'll just do it like this. I was trying to be gentle, but I guess being gentle wasn't the way to go. There you go. Got a Bugatti Chiron instruction manual. And let's take it out of the restraints now. I have achieved separation. Let's see if there's anything else in this box. I don't think there is. All right, so it's a little dusty. I guess whoever sold this to me just left it out in the open, but it looks pretty good. There's something inside clanking around. Here's the remote. It's got a pistol grip to it. I guess I don't know if this is on and off switch, but there's several buttons on here, which I don't really understand, but I guess we'll understand it when I drive it, which in the video, I already drove it. So here is the Bugatti Chiron, or is it a Chiron? I don't know how you pronounce that. And let's go measure it really quick for you guys, in case you're wondering what this 1/10 scale car measures up to. So it's gonna be a little, almost 17 inches long, roughly. And then the wheelbase is gonna be about 10.75 inches long. And then the width of this car is gonna be, a little over, maybe about 8.5 to 9 inches wide. So those are the quick measurements. But yeah, I got this car mainly for the details on this. The doors do not open, sadly, because that would have been cool. I could have put some action figures inside. I could still do it. Maybe I could probably take the body off and then put the figure in and then put the body back on maybe. I have to turn my light on so you can see it. There's not much leg room. If you did have an action figure, you'd probably have to chop it up in order to make it fit. But yeah, just a 2-seater. And you can see the instrument panel right there. We got use a screwdriver to open up the battery compartment. And this is very peculiar. Look at the battery that the car itself uses. Well, it comes with the USB cable for charging. And then look at the battery itself. I've never seen something so tiny for a car that's relatively large. And yeah, it's got some fine detail on it though. I don't know if you're a fan of Bugatti. I know Tom Cruise used to be a fan of Bugatti. Maybe he still is, I don't know. But yeah, it's got some pretty good detail to it. Anyways, I like it. I just wanted to show you what this looks like because I haven't seen any videos on this RC car. Like the toy company themselves made their own video and nobody else. So I guess it's not a popular car. But when it comes to 1/10 scale RC cars, I like getting them. Like cars like this. So that's my look at this RC car, guys. Let me know what you think of this in the comments.